How's it going today there, YouTube? Well, it's a cold, wintry friggin' day up here in Keswick today. Got some snow this morning, look, you guys can tell. Anyway, I got a quick little truck video for you guys today. I switched my GMC logo on the grill of my truck from the factory red and chrome to black and chrome to kind of match the theme of the truck. That's the old one. This one here is for the tailgate. So I don't know if you guys can kind of get that image there. This one's got two-sided tape on it, so wait for a much warmer day outside because I'm gonna have to take some fishing line and a heat gun and cut the old logo off, and then use a 3M eraser wheel, which I've used before on many vehicles. Take the old three-sided tape on, and then I'll pop that one on there probably on a day it's not winter's frig out. But anyway, I wanted to show you guys there's two different ways that you can change your grill logo. You can either take your truck all apart and do it, or there's my way of doing it. Now, my way of doing it works good if you don't plan on reusing your factory logo. Basically, it entails popping these clips. I only broke two of them, so let's get dressed up and we'll go outside and I'll kind of show you guys just what to do. I apologize for the wind noise. I'm gonna have to yell today. This is what I've got now. So basically what they want you to do, you have to remove your grill. Hold on a second. You got to take this entire grill off, and every other video I've seen, so you got to pop all these plastic clips out. There's also 4 bolts holding it on here, like here, 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 and here. I know because I pulled it kind of halfway off. Then they want you to pull this trim off, and then you got to pull this bolt out, and then there's another bolt kind of up here on both sides to pull it out, and then that takes your little bumper skirt off here. You got to repeat that on both sides, and there's another 2 more bolts down here, I think. It's either 2 or 4, I don't remember. And the whole grill comes forward just to press these little clips. But I wasn't having none of that. Whoops. Well, don't need that now anyway. Apologies for the wind noise, boys. She's cold out here today. Anyway, the way I did things, you see there's a little gap in here. I took a pocket screwdriver because I kind of know where these clips are, because this is obviously my first rodeo with one of these trucks. I took a little pocket screwdriver and I went in there and I kind of just pried out just a little bit, and I wedged a trim tool in there, or you can use a flat blade screwdriver or putty knife or something. As long as you can keep a little pressure on those little tabs down here, and then just pop and just work your way across, you can switch your logo in about 30 seconds. So choice is yours. You either take your whole truck apart in the freezing cold and risk breaking all your plastics, or you can just bust off a couple tabs on your factory logo. Anyway, it's cold as frig out here, and I'm sure you guys are tired of listening to the wind noise as much as I am. So, like what you see, please comment, raise a thread.